Hi guys, welcome to this new video of Bloxburg. So this is the second Bloxburg video today. So I'm right now and this is my cousin is trying to build in my house and I'm going to work to get some more money. I think if I'm a guest I should be going because I'm a YouTuber with 5 subscribers. Okay, so say hi to that YouTube feed. John Lukehead, should I give a shout out to you? Sure, why? I don't even know why. What are you doing? Yeah, did you please? John Newked Bandoma. Okay. How much money do I need to earn you? Is 1,000 enough?
A couple thousand, maybe.
I can't do a couple thousand.
You can.
No, I can't. No, I had my stylish animation and now it's gone. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Let's put some sad music in. I know which one to put on. Nah, I should do sad violin meme. Stop it, I can hear that guys. It's so annoying. Someone's using a moped. I'm not even looking at it. What is this? What's your favorite color, Katzpa?
No.
There we go. We're gonna be playing with this because I have my stylish animation taken away from me, and I need to clean the everywhere, and my stylish animation was taken away from me. It's funny because we can't hear anything. Can you hear anything? Can you hear
I
it?
can hear the sun.
Oh, I think it's because it's on the TV, but wait. jest moim mięsem. Tak. Ja z moim mięsem bułkę. No tą, co ty wczoraj kupiłeś. No to teraz. Tak. Tak.
No.
Na górze zjemy. Na górze zjemy. Okay? Okay. Sorry guys for that. Yeah. We were just ordering food. This is my favorite meme.
Just ordering food at a restaurant.
Yeah, we actually are just ordering food on a phone for a restaurant. It's too loud. What are you doing?
Making a house in a pool.
No. You use the different pool. Use like the shallow pool. I do the pool in front of our house. Can this be enough money?
No.
No.
Look behind you.
Nie. Nie. Co?
Co były kanapki?
No mamy bułki nasze.
No ale ja jestem.
Bułki nasze z moim mięsem, a Kacper hot doga.
Aha. Maciek robi.
Tata robi. Hej Kacper. Ha. Go to the ATM and buy something. Go and buy something in the ATM.
I can't. I'm too poor.
Really? Show me. What?
I got this and that. Next I'm gonna buy that and that.
Uh,
And yes, I'm gonna buy this and that.
I have already this and that.
So I'm gonna buy this if you want.
And I'm gonna buy basements.
Hey,
Yeah?
you need to make your own stuff. Because next time you play, I'm kicking you out.
Aye.
Yes.
Oh.
Boy, boy. Wow, look at this.
Crunchy.